Bodyline Panel Bonding. Before starting any work, ensure you're wearing appropriate PPE for the task. This product is a Thatcham-approved structural adhesive. Before starting, ensure that all the old sealers or adhesives have been removed from the surface, as anything left could react with the adhesive. Begin by abrading the area to be bonded with a P80 bodyline disc. Ensure the entire area to be bonded is prepared. Clean both surfaces and wipe with a pre-cleaning cloth to ensure that no contaminants remain. At this stage, it's important to dry fit the panels together to minimise the need for repositioning once the product has been applied, as this may cause air pockets. Purge the tube before adding the nozzle to ensure the cylinders are aligned and ensuring that the 2:1 mix is achieved. Failure to do this could prevent the product curing. Apply the adhesive to both surfaces. Use a spreader to flatten both beads, preventing future corrosion by covering all bare metal areas. Apply another bead around 8 mm high to one of the surfaces, and then place the panels together. Ensure the panels are lined up and pressed together. Use locking pliers or clamps to keep the panels in place. Full curing will take up to 24 hours. Bodyline Panel Bonding adhesive uses glass beads to guarantee the adhesive thickness of 0.25 mm, meaning that when the panels are pressed together, it isn't possible to squeeze out all of the product and lose adhesion.